And as far as the 3000 meter steeplechase, Chinta of Railways happens to be the, well, that is the start of the finals of 3000 meter steeplechase for women. Chinta of Railways is available for this competition with bib number 389. She happens to be the gold medal winner of the last edition of this championship, and she also happens to be the bronze medal winner of the last Federation Cup. Parul Chowdhury of Railways happens to be the silver medal winner in the last edition of this championship, who happens to be the gold medal winner in interstate and Federation Cup as well. Parul Chowdhury is running with bib number 400. Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra happens to be the bronze medal winner in the last edition of this championship, who was the silver medal winner in the last interstate and Federation Cup as well. Komal Chandrakant Jagdale is taking part in this championship with bib number 315 representing Maharashtra. Those are the three athletes who are available for this championship. That is three medalists of the last national championships are available in this championship, and we are witnessing the last but one track event for day 3. They're having their water jump. The athletes will have to go for 6 more laps, and that is 315, 400, 413. That is Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra leading the pack, being followed by Parul Chowdhury of Railways and Preeti Lamba of Railways. At the 4th place, we have Chinta of Railways. Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra is well ahead of the other athletes. And the next 3, of course, they are following closer. All are evenly spaced in between the top 4 runners. Komal Chandrakant Jagdale, Parul Chowdhury, Preeti Lamba, and Chinta. Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra being followed by Parul Chowdhury of Railways. At the 3rd spot, it is Preeti Lamba of Railways. At the 4th spot, it is Chinta of Railways. These 4 move as a bunch with even spacing between them. And for the 5th spot, we have 3-1. That is Vaishnavi Vilas Rao Sawant of Maharashtra at the 5th place at present. At the 6th place, it is 302 Chavi Yadav of Madhya Pradesh. For the 7th place, it is 617 Richa Bahaduria of Uttar Pradesh. The top 4 are moving as a bunch, while the next 3 are also moving as a bunch. And there is Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra moving ahead. She happens to be the silver medal winner of the last interstate and Federation Cup as well. Following her is Parul Chowdhury of Railways, who happens to be the gold medal winner in interstate and Federation Cup as well, and she happens to be the silver medal winner of the last edition of this championship, while 413 Preeti Lamba of Railways is at the 3rd spot. 389 Chinta of Railways is at the 4th place presently. Chinta happens to be the bronze medal winner in the Federation Cup and gold medal winner in the last edition of this championship. And now the top two are moving together. That is Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra and Parul Chowdhury of Railways. The third and fourth are far behind. These two continue to go together. After the water jump, Parul Chowdhury is trying to overtake Komal Chandrakant Jagdale. Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra maintaining the lead, being followed by Parul Chowdhury of Railways. And little away at the third spot, it is 4-1-3 Preeti Lamba of Railways. Almost 10 meters is between the second and third. First and second are moving together, just one after the other. The leaders will have to go for 3 more laps. And that is Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra, being followed by Parul Chowdhury of Railways, and little away Preeti Lamba of Railways are moving comfortably. And at this stage, again, Parul Chowdhury is getting closer to Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra. And after the water jump, always Parul Chowdhury tries to overtake Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra, but she remains little back, and it only seems that she is reserving the energy to open at the last. Preeti Lamba is little behind the second one, almost 10 meters behind. Preeti Lamba is occupying the third position at present. Komal Chandrakant Jagdale running with comfort to be the leader all through the race, being followed by Parul Chowdhury of Railways. Komal Chandrakant being followed by Parul Chowdhury, and nowhere near Preeti Lamba of Railways is being seen. Komal Chandrakant of Maharashtra, Parul Chowdhury of Railways, the leaders of this 3000 meter steeplechase. And at the water jump, after landing, it will appear that Parul Chowdhury is about to overtake, but she is moving all along by the side of Komal Chandrakant Jagdale and putting herself just behind. And that happens to be the bell sound indication for the leaders to go for the last lap in 3000 meter steeplechase. Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra continues to lead, with Parul Chowdhury of Railways being followed so closely. And at the third spot, it is Preeti Lamba of Railways. And the fourth one is also far behind. Komal Chandrakant Jagdale and Parul Chowdhury. There is a tough fight, and Parul Chowdhury overtakes Komal Chandrakant Jagdale. She is moving, she is putting her speed, putting herself in front, and she is clearing the water jump first. All along, she was clearing along with Komal Chandrakant Jagdale. And as they enter the home stretch, it is Parul Chowdhury of Railways in front. Being closer is Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra, and it could be anybody's race as there is a tough fight between Komal Chandrakant and Parul Chowdhury, and at last Parul Chowdhury of Railways finishing on top. Parul Chowdhury of Railways getting the top position with a timing of 9 minutes 51.01 seconds, leaving Komal Chandrakant Jagdale of Maharashtra to the second spot with 9 minutes 51.03 seconds. Preeti Lamba gains the third position with 10 minutes 22.45 seconds, while Chavi Yadav gets the fourth place with 10 minutes 37.7